How to make a game pass on Roblox. While you can create various elements for a Roblox game via the Roblox Studio application, we will focus on pass creation via browser since it's more accessible method. Starting on the platform's homepage, you must navigate your way to the Creator Hub. This can be done by selecting the Create tab at the top of your browser between Marketplace and Roblox. Once you are in your hub, go to Experiences, where you'll find your place, which is where you'll configure everything that has to do with your Roblox game. Obviously, we are not discussing making a game in Roblox at the moment, but it's still the page where you need to navigate to make a game pass in Please Donate. On the left side of your place in Roblox, examine the long listing of items to select from. Scroll down to the bottom, look under the tab for monetization products, and choose passes. Since this is your first time doing so, the inventory page should be empty. Hit the Create a Pass to get started. The creation process is extremely simple. Add an image to the pass, choose a name, and then fill out the description. You can put whatever you want to. That's it. You also need to add pricing to your Please Donate pass in Roblox. This is done by selecting cells under Basic Settings on the left of the passes page and filling in a Robux value. Do note that Roblox, the company, will take 30% of your currency earnings. So that's it, and this is simply how you can make a game pass in Roblox. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.